Good morning to all. I am Dr. Madhusudan Rao, BMS Department, Assistant Professor, Jain deemed to be University, Bangalore, Karnataka State. During this pandemic period, as an individual and being part of Jain deemed to be University, we have conducted around 3 activities. First one being yoga classes being conducted every day for the benefit of society as well as faculty and their families and overall to the wider public. Number 2, free meals being provided at the Jain University campus for the patients. Number 3, fundraising conducted regarding vaccination for all program for the economically backward members. After being interaction with Shri Sai Kiran Garu, MGN CRE coordinator, Government of Minister of Education, Government of India, I was happy to hear the program Each One Reach One mission. Immediately contacted my students. 3 students within a minute they have contacted. Those are Mr. M. Karan Jain, Mr. Newpal Chowdhury, Mr. Sarthak Singh, and their briefing will be given in the following continuous video. And they have done a wonderful job meeting the different hospitals and knowing the details of their location, availability of doctors and the medicines over there, oxygen cylinders, beds, nearby medical shops and available medicines and its route maps. So all these are collected at various places of India. All these are at different places, different states. So they have done a wonderful job. And including myself, I have contacted around 20 my family members, relatives in this period, and all our patients, and I have supported personally, physically, mentally. Some people have been joined, got admitted into the hospitals, and most of them are now healthy. Here and there, the deep sourness exists. Overall, this period has given us how to live, how to extend our support to others. So this is a wonderful choice as well as chance given to us. MGN CNRE coordinators. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Karan Jain, studying Bachelor of Management Studies International Business, finally student at Jain deemed to be University, Bangalore. Currently I reside in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. During the COVID-19 pandemic, under the guidance of Dr. Madhusudan sir, I and my colleagues participated in Each One Reach One, a COVID-19 pandemic drive. I have contributed in giving my data of my region, Kanchipuram, and also Tamil Nadu districts. I have given data in various forms and from the various platforms, like I have contributed showing up active cases and deaths are happening in my area. I have also shown fatality ratio of active cases in my region. And I have given the COVID beds vacancy in Tamil Nadu districts from government portals. I went to several hospitals and COVID centers to show up where and all vaccination camps are going on. I have also shown the COVID dashboard of Tamil Nadu, in which it shows up how many patients recovered, how many patients discharged, and how many people died, and last total number of positive cases in Tamil Nadu. So in this drive, I learned as a management student that how to take research, analyze research, and get information from particular places. I also learned how people are now encouraging humanity in the situation, which is more important for everyone in the world and which wasn't there before COVID-19 pandemic. It also taught about preciousness of our life. Each one of us have had our own share of stress where we simply wanted to give up and end things for once and for all. However, during the pandemic, we have appreciated waking up to a new and carrying out our daily course without complaining about them. We also understood the values of our lives and others' life, and how each moment is a blessing, which weren't denied to many years. Last but not least, family time, which is more important to all of our life. Although we are staying in the same house, but there wasn't really anything that felt like together and warm. But since the moment of pandemic and realization, there were more happiness with families and friends we spent today. And we are experiencing care and love that was overdue and somewhere we needed in our daily life badly. It was a really an amazing and also a great learning opportunity to me. I really thank Dr. Madhusudan sir of our Jain University and Mr. Sai Kiran sir, MG NCRE coordinator. Thank you, sir. Last but not least, my colleagues Neil Paul Chaudhary from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand and Sarthak Singh from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Stay safe. Get vaccinated as early as possible. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Nif Paul Chaudhary. I am from Jain Deemed to be University. I'm doing Bachelor in Management Studies under specialization International Business. My hometown is Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Under the guidance of Dr. Madhusudan sir, me and my friends have participated in the Each One Reach One COVID drive, and it's been an amazing journey in this drive. So basically I have contributed in giving the verified helpline numbers, verified quarantine centers which are been posted by Tata, and it has also gave me a very great message that how people are being being less selfish at these difficult times, where they want to serve the people, which is a great message in this drive. I've also provided some of the hospital beds with oxygen, without oxygen, and the vaccination slots that were provided each day in my region. So the one thing that I learned from this drive is that the value of life, how people before used to take everything for granted and how they are now valuing life. So that is a very great improvement that humanity has done, and they are being less careless now at times. I have seen how it is so very difficult to book a vaccine slot, because it's in 5 seconds 1,000 slots are just empty. So yeah, that what gave the people a trigger to think about the life and its value. It also taught us how we can be more hygienic in our lives, how we can be more loving towards our life and make it a better place to live in. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my teammates for being always there with me, and my moderator again, Dr. Madhusudan sir, and from the whole Jain University, I would like to thank Sai Kiran sir for giving us this wonderful opportunity, because me personally always wanted to be a part of something to serve the humanity, and you have truly helped us to make our thinking into actions. So thank you very much, sir, and we really do hope to again work with you and serve humanity. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Everyone be safe and happy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Sarthak Singh, studying BMS International Business, final year in Jain Deemed to be University, Bangalore. Currently I am living in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and during this pandemic, under the guidance of Dr. Madhusudan sir, I practiced in Each One Reach One COVID pandemic. I've collected the data from various hospitals, from various vaccine centers, and I have collected some data from government online portals also. The data which I have given is availability of beds, how many Covishield centers are there, how many co-vaccine centers are there, how many people have taken the first dose of each day, and how many people have taken the second dose of each day, and yes, how many active cases are there in Muzaffarpur, Bihar. It was a great learning opportunity for me, and I interacted to new people, got to know new things also, and I sincerely convey thanks to Dr. Madhusudan sir and Sai Kiran sir for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you.